How to make a voice call on Telegram. Need to make a quick voice call on Telegram? Here's how you can do it under a minute. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open a Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside the Telegram app, head to the chat of the person that you want to call. Tap on the name to open the chat screen. Once you're inside the chat screen, there you'll see a phone icon in the top right corner of your screen. You'll need to click that. After you click that, Telegram will connect the call using end-to-end encryption for privacy. You can switch the speakers, use headphones, or even do a video call instead. And that's it. You are now on a secure voice call in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.